Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. I've come here with my lecture on general paper analysis. This is the second part of the lesson. In the first part, we have discussed 30 questions of the general paper of the last KCET exam. In this lecture, we are going to discuss some more questions and we'll finish off the entire discussion in the following lecture. So let's get started. If you have not gone through the previous one, that is General Paper Analysis Part 1, please take a note of it. It will help you to solve the questions in a better way. So let's get started. Yes. Here you can see the question has given you certain diagrams. It says, which of the following figures do not belong to the series, or which of the following figure does not belong to the series? You will have to find out the hidden clue here. Look at this diamond, or the square. If you move, I'll use a pen here. If you move in clockwise order, you will see a specific pattern here. See, if you move in this order, you will see a specific pattern. B, C, D, E. Here also, see, G, H, I, J. See here, K, L, M, N. Here, following this trend, it should have been P, Q, R, S. Here, this trend is not being followed. Again, come here. T, U, V, W. This trend is again followed here. So this is the odd one out. Number 4. The fourth one is the odd one out, and hence option D is your correct answer. Coming to the next question. You'll have to solve this to get the correct answer. See, read the question very nicely. Though you have very less time over there, but still, please read the question very nicely. Try to read in between the lines to find out the hidden meaning. Well, this question is extremely direct. There is no hidden meaning over here, but be very conscious. On the total amount received by X, 20% was spent on purchases and 5% of the remaining on transportation. If he is left with rupees 1520, what is the initial amount? Okay, so we'll start by assuming the initial amount. See, let the initial amount be since X is already used in the question, see, I'm not going to use the symbol X here, we'll use something else. Say A. Okay. It's first said 20%. Read here. 20% was spent on purchases. 20% of A on purchases. This means what? 1/5, isn't it? Then remaining. Then what's remaining? What's remaining? A minus A by 5, which is equal to 4A by 5. This is the amount remaining. Again, see, 5% of the remaining was spent on transportation. Okay, good enough. 5% of 4A by 5 on transportation. Clear? So what is it? So this is, it is very simple. So A by 25. A by 25 was spent on transportation. Okay. Now he is left with rupees 1,520. Okay. So now what remains? Now what is remaining? 4A by 5 minus A by 25. Yes or no? Which is equivalent to 20A minus A by 25, which is equal to 19A by 25. Now this 19A by 25 is equal to how much? 1520. No? 1520. Therefore, A will be how much? 1520 into 25 by 19. 19 8s are 152, we know. So 19 ones are 19, 19 8s are 152. So 25 into 8, that is 2000. So this is your correct answer. Let's see, where is 2000? So B becomes your correct answer. Clear? So this is how you should solve it. While you are solving it, you are doing it in the rough work space that is provided after every at the bottom of every page. You need not write statements and all, but in case you feel comfortable writing that, you can always go ahead. So this is your correct answer. So moving on to the next question. Read here. Aman, Biman and Chiman enter into a partnership by investing 36,000, 44,000 and 28,000 respectively. Aman is the working partner and gets 1/4 of the profit for his service and the remaining profit is divided amongst the three. This is the most important part. The remaining profit is divided amongst the three in the ratio of their investment. What is the amount of profit that Chiman gets if Aman gets a net profit of 5,400? The options given are 2100, 1200, 1000, and 1500. Now we'll solve it. So I'm just writing ABC for Aman, Biman, and Chiman. Okay. A invests 36,000. B is investing 44,000 and C is investing 28,000. Okay. Let's just once for all find out the ratio of their investment. Required ratio of their investment is how much? Is 2. Which is equivalent to if you see divided by 4, 4 9s are 36, 4 11s are 44, 4 7s are 28. So this is one part which we are going to require to solve the sum. Next, see, Aman or A gets 1/4 of the profit. Clear? The remaining is being divided amongst the three in this ratio. Okay, so we will assume the profit to be X. Fine. So Aman is getting 1/4 of X means what? X by 4. Clear? Aman is getting this. Remaining is how much? Remaining is 3/4 of X, isn't it? Therefore, 3X by 4. This is the remaining amount. Now, this 3X by 4 is divided amongst ABC in the ratio 9:11:7. Clear? Okay. Now, see. Now, since the amount of Aman is already provided, it's easiest to proceed with that. Now, according to the question, Aman gets 1/4 of the profit and 3/4 of it is divided amongst the three in this ratio 9:11:7. Now, this is Aman's share, right? This is Aman's share. So, Aman should get 9/27 of 3x by 4. 9/27 comes from 9 plus 11 plus 7. As we know, this is the rule of solving ratio proportion numericals. So see here, 9/27 into 3x by 4. 9 3s are 27. 3 gets cancelled out. X by 4. Right? Now, this X by 4 and this X by 4 and this X by 4 together, according to the question, is the Aman gets the net profit of 5,400. So according to the question, this X by 4 and this x by 4 is equal to 5400. 5400 or x, this is what, 2x by 4 is equal to 5400. That means x by 2 is 5400 or x is equal to how much? 5400 into 2, right? It's pretty easy. Now this amount is the total amount of profit. X, we have assumed X to be the net, the total amount of profit, isn't it? So this amount is your X. 10,800 is X, right? Now amongst this 10,800, see here, I'm just solving it here itself. 3/4 of 10,800 will go to A, B and C according to the question, right? Now see, now Himan's part is the question. How much Himan is getting. So according to the question, this is the part of Himan. So 7 by 27 into 3/4 of 10800, which is equal to, if you cancel it out, you will get 2100. So this is your answer. So our correct answer is A. 2100. A is our right answer. Clear? Now coming to the next question. Here you will have to study the diagram very nicely. This is a picture-based question. The triangle, square and circle shown below represent urban, hardworking and educated people respectively. Okay. So see, the triangle represents urban. This triangle here represents urban. The square represents hardworking. And the circle represents educated folk. Which of the areas marked 1 to 8 represent the urban, educated who are not hardworking? Urban, educated who are not hardworking. So see here, 1 is urban. Clear, it is in the triangle. 2 falls in urban also. See, 2 in urban also and hardworking also, but not in educated. 3 falls in urban, hardworking, educated, all three. 4 is urban because it is in the triangle, educated because it is in the circle, but not hardworking because it is out of the square. See, it is not coming into the periphery of the square. Let's look into 6. 5 here. 5 is not coming into urban. It is only educated and hardworking. Okay. Here also, this is only hardworking. Here it is only educated. So your correct answer is 4. That is option C. Next coming, this is also a diagram based question. Look into it very nicely. Answer the following questions on the basis of the information given below. Here you can see a compass which is showing east, west, north and south. 4 security guards P, Q, R and S have been posted at the 4 corners of the huge cashew plantation farm as shown in the figure here. From the original position, P and Q move diagonally to opposite corners. Okay. P and Q move diagonally to opposite corners. That means they are moving diagonally like this. They are moving diagonally like this. And Q is also, so P and R are moving diagonally like this. See? They are moving diagonally to opposite corners. And then one side each in clockwise direction. Clockwise means this way towards, this is your clockwise direction. So after after R moves here, they take a turn clockwise, they take a clockwise turn and move to one side of it. That means from here, it will travel to this point here. And this P also will take one side like this in clockwise direction and it will go this way. So P will be here and R will be here. Which of the corners is unmanned at the moment? Unmanned means at this point of time, which corner are not having any security guards. Okay, now here at this point, R and Q both are here. See, you can see both R and Q at this point. See, you can see both R and Q at this point. Here also after P moves here, you can see both P and R here. Now, this is the southeast part. Here, at this point, there is no one. P has already come here and P has gone here. P and R both are here. Right? Q has come, but P and R are here. So this is the only place which has got no guards. So your correct answer is the southeast corner. See, this is the eastern side and this is the southern side. So this becomes your southeast part. So southeast is the correct answer. Now coming to this question. What is the value of 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 6 minus 7 by 8 minus 9? This is also a very basic direct answer type question. By seeing only mentally, you can solve this. This is so very easy. You can simply solve this mentally. I'll just give you 1 minute time to solve. See if you can. Simply we can solve this 1 by minus 1 minus 4 by minus 1 minus 7 by minus 1, which is equivalent to minus 1 minus 4 minus 7, which is equal to 10. 1 minus 1 plus 4, which is minus 3, minus plus 7. Actually, this is 3 plus 7, which is equal to 10. So our correct answer is B, 10. Next, coming to English. A little bit of English knowledge has to be very good. Behavior is related to read this question. Behavior is related to impropriety in the same way as word is related to. See, impropriety means what? That which is not proper. The word impropriety means what? It means the condition of being improper. This means the condition of being improper. Okay, so behavior, it can be proper or improper. So how the behavior is, this is how these two words are related. So in the same way, how can you relate this this word here with these given options? Use it, morality, honesty, malapropism. Malapropism is your correct answer. That means what? A word can be used appropriately, a word can be used wrongly. So D becomes your correct answer. Okay. Next question. See, you have to match the column. In this here, I just name it as A and B, column A and B. In column A, you see internet, intranet, extranet, ethernet. You'll have to connect it to the correct words. Internet is what? Public network. Then intranet is private. Intra is private. Ethernet is local area network. And extranet is virtual private network. So let's see which is giving us the correct option. A3, B1, C4, D2. So A becomes our right answer. This is a direct question again. In which year was EduSat, first Indian satellite built exclusively to serve educational sector, launched? The correct answer is 2004. Next, here also you'll have to match the column A and B. Column A says physical classroom, virtual classroom, hybrid classroom, recorded video. Physical classroom can be connected with offline and synchronous. Virtual classroom means online and synchronous. This one we all know. COVID period has taught us this very well. Hybrid classroom means two together, online as well as offline, which is asynchronous. And recorded video is online or offline and asynchronous. So let's find out which is giving us this option. A and C is not giving us this. D is also not giving us. B is giving this to us. See, A4, B3, C2 and D1. So B is our correct answer. Next, which is an alternate term referring to website domain name, URL, right? Which is a uniform resource locator. Okay, so thank you so much for your kind attention. Hope you have understood the process, how to solve the general paper, how to solve each of these questions so fast. Stay tuned. We'll come back with the last part of our general paper analysis. Till then, thank you and goodbye.